you gotta wear this outside. Don't wear this to the office, cooped up in your cubicle. People will definitely stop you and ask you what you wearing when you out wearing this. Hey y'all, my name is Lashan and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am letting y'all know all about my favorite perfumes, and I might have a few different tips and tricks on how to always smell good. So make sure you check out the description box because I will list each perfume that I mentioned in this video in the description box. And without further ado, here comes the video. All right y'all, so like I said, this is all about my favorite perfumes. I do have more perfumes in my collection, but I'm not talking about those in the video. Those are over there, y'all won't even see them. So without further ado, I definitely want to get into the perfumes, but I just wanted to give a disclaimer that I'm not rating these perfumes. It's not favorite to least favorite because all of these are my favorites. So I guess I can start from the top and talk about the Gucci Guilty. Now originally I would have said this is the perfect date night perfume, but honestly this low-key can be a perfume that you wear throughout the entire day. It has like a very fresh, powdery, everyday type of vibe, but it's definitely a perfume that you can always wear during the night as well. I always get compliments when I wear this perfume, and honestly one of the tricks or one of the tips that I wanted to kind of talk about at the end of the video, I guess I can talk about it now, but I love layering my perfume. So putting on something like this first and kind of just letting it marinate and sit, and then putting on something sweeter afterwards, because this isn't a sweet perfume. It's also not one of those like very strong and like seductive perfumes that I would say you would normally wear for a date night. It's like a perfume that you can stand alone and wear all day and get compliments, but it's also a type of perfume that you can wear and then layer it with other perfumes and it still smells just as good, if not better. Like I said, I'm not ranking the perfumes, but this is top 3. Like, this is a really great perfume. I can't remember the price of it. I think I got it for Christmas anyway, so I didn't buy it myself, but I would strongly recommend getting this perfume, y'all. It's the best. That's probably why I got it on the top row, but again, all of them my favorite. Okay y'all, so the next perfume that I want to talk about is actually Prada Candy. And this perfume, my mama used to always wear this perfume, and I always used to steal it sometimes. She don't even know this, but I used to steal a little bit at a time every once in a while. And one day I was like, why won't I just buy my own? Y'all, this is definitely date night 100%. I wouldn't say this is a day perfume that you would wear to work, go run errands, or even like go to brunch and go out to eat with friends. I really think that this is strictly a date night perfume. The men will be all over your body when you wear this, so beware. I love this perfume. It's like a musky but like super feminine, little bit of vanilla here and there. I really don't know how to describe this other than this is probably the date night perfume out of all of the perfumes that I'm going to talk about. But super girly, super classy, super feminine. Go out, and I would say maybe wear this to like a networking event. People will definitely stop you and ask you what you're wearing when you out wearing this. So get this. And then it does have this unique bottle, so the nozzle is right here, and you just push it down to spray it. I don't remember if it came with a top or not, because I mean I just let it sit like this, but it's like super unique and different. I really like it. I think this is actually my second bottle. I got this last year, so clearly I'll be using Miss Prada Candy. I love Prada Candy, okay? Go get Prada Candy. All right y'all, so the third perfume on this list is actually the Ariana Grande Cloud perfume. Y'all, I love me some Ariana Grande, and it actually comes with an actual cloud that you can put the perfume in, and it can sit like this, like super flat on your whatever, your dresser or your collection, or it can also sit flat by itself since it does have a flat bottom. But I just love like how cute this is. You can, you know, let it sit on the counter or the dresser however you want. This perfume is super sweet. It has like a vanilla, caramel, low-key lavender smell to it. And I know at the beginning of the video I said with the Gucci Guilty you can use this as a base since it's super fresh and clean and powdery, and then you can add something sweet on top. And I would say you can add something sweet like this on top to just create like an aroma, and everybody gonna be like, dang, what you got on? And you really don't have to tell them because you mix two great perfumes. So you can just say, oh, I got on Ariana Grande Cloud, or I got on Gucci Guilty, and they won't actually know what you're wearing because you mixed both. So you can layer this with something more fresh to create a really nice vibe, but you can also wear it alone. I wouldn't say that this is a date night perfume. It's not strong, it's not like sexy, it's more so brunch, out with the girls during the day, running errands, going to work, if I didn't say that already. So it's definitely a vibe. I got this for Christmas also. I don't know if I mentioned it, but I got this for Christmas and this for Christmas in 2023. So it hasn't even been a full year yet. But this is super sweet smelling. I heard that this was a dupe, a Baccarat dupe. I'm not sure if they were talking about this or a different Ariana Grande perfume. But the Baccarat perfume is super expensive. It's like a few $100s. So if you don't want to go buy a perfume that's like a gazillion dollars, you can buy this as a dupe, y'all. And like I said, it's so sweet. It's like a perfect fall perfume, but it's also not too vanilla. Like, you know what I mean when I say like vanilla, like those Bath and Body Works candles. Like, it's not like that, but it's like super sweet day perfume. 100%. While it does smell super good, I would say don't wear that alone if you're going on a date. You got to pair that with something if you're gonna wear it on a date. All right, y'all, so the next perfume on this list is actually my Burberry blush. Now, I smelled this perfume one day at the mall and they had run out. So I spent the whole freaking week going mall to mall trying to find this freaking perfume, and eventually I gave up. And then I was like, man, I need to see if anybody else heard of this perfume, because like, how did I only see it once? I smelled it and the girl said it's been sold out for like a month. Like, what happened? So I text my sister. I think I called or text her, and I was like, girl, have you heard of my Burberry blush? And she was like, yeah, I got that perfume. I don't like it. You don't like it? Girl, let me have it. So she let me have this bottle, y'all. I swear to God, I spent the whole week going from mall to mall all through Atlanta trying to find this freaking perfume. It was like a year ago. Trying to find this freaking perfume, because when I smelled it, y'all, it smelled so freaking good. Like, it's like a fruity, it's definitely floral, fruity and floral mixed together. It's super feminine. I would say this is like a day perfume. Wear it to work if you want to, but it's like, if you don't like fruity florals, I would say it's more so floral than fruity. If you don't like smelling like a freaking garden of roses, this not the perfume for you. Like, it is very feminine and cute and just, I don't know, like, you gotta wear this outside. Don't wear this to the office cooped up in your cubicle. You have to wear this outside, okay? Let the birds chirp. I said the birds. Let the birds chirp while you wear this, because it is so like floral and fresh and feminine. It kind of got a little bit of lemon to it too. So this is 100% an outside, wear it during the day type of perfume. Like I said, you could wear it at night on a date, but that's more so like you out with the girls and you kind of want everybody to be like, girl, what you got on? Wear that. Since this perfume is very like fruity and floral and fragrant and girly and cute, I do feel like it doesn't pair well with everything. Like, it wouldn't pair well with something that's like powdery or something that's like super sweet and vanilla-y like the Ariana Grande Cloud. So be careful with mixing that one. That is 100%, in my opinion, a standalone perfume. I feel like it's hard to like really mix certain florals and certain, you know, things, because it starts to smell musky, and I don't like musky perfumes. I don't think I do. So yeah, that is 100% standalone perfume. It'll probably go good with like some lotion or something, but don't pair her. Don't pair her. She can stand alone. That's a standalone perfume. Okay, y'all, so the next perfume, I was debating a little bit if I wanted to even add this perfume to this list, but then I was like, girl, why wouldn't you add it to the list when you low-key wear it every day? And it's the Donna Karan Cashmere perfume. Now, this is like an old perfume. Like, this is old as crap. And I don't really know how to describe this shape, but you just take it off and it's this much in it. But this is more of a mature, I would say an older woman, maybe older than 20, and I'm 25. But I like to wear this to the gym actually. So every day I get off work, I go to the gym, and it's a nice perfume that settles nicely when you start to sweat, which is like probably weird to say. But like I said, it's very mature. It's like a light hint of vanilla, maybe a little bit of jasmine, some sandalwood. Like, it's fresh, it's mature, it's not sweet, it's not floral, it's not fruity. All I can really smell is like sandalwood and like a hint of vanilla. Like, when I say a hint, I mean like of vanilla, like just a little bit. This is a more mature perfume that I probably wouldn't wear to a date or out with friends unless I'm like pairing it with something else. It is a little bit powdery. Maybe these two are like cousins, so you probably could wear these together to maybe enhance both of them. But this is a lot stronger. This isn't strong. It's very light, it's very delicate, it's very like, you know, put it on when you're running errands or you just, you know, at work, honestly. But like I said, I wear it to the gym and it settles nicely when I'm like running on a treadmill and like I'm doing a little sweat. Like, it smells better the longer you wear it. It pairs well with my natural fragrance of my skin. So again, I was debating whether or not I wanted to even add this, because it's like, it's not one of those like, yes, I'm gonna go out and wear this. It's more so of a backup perfume, honestly. But I do wear it every day and I actually really like it, you know. I don't know if I'll repurchase it. I think I'll probably just find another everyday perfume to purchase once I'm done with this. But then again, I don't know, like, I can't remember how much I bought it for, but I do really like it. So that's why I added her to the list. She's not like favorite, but she's definitely like a necessity for me at this point, so I like her. Okay, y'all, so we do have another floral girl entering the party. It's Marc Jacobs Daisy, and like I said, it's floral. The name is kind of self-explanatory because it comes with like these cute little daisies on the perfume bottle. But this, like I said, it's floral. It's very like berry mixed with flowers. When I say berry, I don't mean it's super fruity, but the like outdoorsy type of, like, this isn't a scent for everybody. I am well aware that this might be a little bit too floral for some people, but I like a good floral. So I low-key feel like these two are cousins. Like, this is the sweet floral because it's mixed with a lot of fruitiness, and this is the floral that's more so like outdoorsy, a little bit of sandalwood, a little bit more matureness when it comes to this one. If you like fruity floral, get the My Burberry Her. If you like mature floral, get the Marc Jacobs Daisy. I don't go into my office all the time since I do work from home, but whenever I'm like going into the office, I'm going somewhere professional, I like to wear this one. It's very mature, but it's still not mature for like a date. Like, date night mature and then like everyday mature are two different types of vibes. I wouldn't want to wear like a date night perfume when I'm out networking with people or I'm in the office trying to work. But this is something that I feel like it's mature, but it's everyday, right? Super floral. If you don't like floral, you're not gonna like Miss Marc Jacobs Daisy. You just not gonna like her, and that's okay, because florals aren't for everybody. But I really like it. Like I said, it is more of a mature floral. It's not like a Bath and Body Works super, you know, high school girly fruity. No, it's not giving high school. I don't think a lot of people will like that one, honestly, but I like it. It's on like a cheap way, because sometimes super fruity perfumes can taste really, not taste, they can smell kind of cheap. This one does not smell cheap. It's definitely on the higher end. I can't remember how much it costs, but when I say it's on the higher end, it smells like an expensive perfume. So I love a sweet perfume that's just not too sweet. This is the like perfect balance of sweet perfume that's not too sweet. Super berry, fruity, floral. Well, no, I wouldn't say floral. Super berry and sweetie. Date night, brunch, out with the girls. This is like strictly nighttime to me. I would never wear something like this to go run errands or just go to work. This is strictly nighttime perfume, okay? Super feminine. super cute. You gotta get into her. All right, y'all, so that last perfume from YSL is the YSL Libre. I'm pretty sure everyone has heard of this perfume, and when I say this is probably the perfume that I have worn the most and the longest out of every perfume in the collection. I know YSL Libre has a few different ones, so I'm not even really sure which one this is. It's just YSL Libre, but this one is also floral, but it's nighttime date night. It's not fruity, 100% not fruity, but it has like a lavender, low-key sandalwood, nighttime date night perfume vibe. I really love this perfume. Like I said at the beginning, I don't necessarily want to rank them because they're all my favorites, but this one is definitely top 2. Like YSL Libre, if you're looking for the perfect starter perfume that's like a nighttime date night perfume, I would highly recommend this one. I don't know anybody who doesn't like YSL Libre. I feel like it's not too floral, but it's still just enough. Not too floral, not too like the My Burberry Her, that's like super floral. Marc Jacobs Daisy, that's like super floral. This one is not super floral. It's like date night, musky, sandalwood with a hint of floral. So like I said, I don't want to rank them, but this one is like number 2. It has to be number 2 or number 1 low-key. So I would highly recommend this one as well. That is like my perfect perfume collection. I would highly recommend either of these perfumes. I do plan on repurchasing at least all of them, maybe not Miss Donna Karan, since it's kind of just an everyday perfume, because I don't want to use the other ones as everyday perfumes, but it's still good enough to wear every day. So I'll see if I repurchase her. She's not like a, oh my god, I gotta re-get her, I gotta refill, I gotta restock, but she's still good enough. But I love all of these perfumes. Again, I'll put all of them in the description box so you can just see it. I think you can get, for the most part, all of these are available at Ulta and Sephora, I think. So I'll let you figure that out, but thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I sprayed a little bit of the perfumes on me. I think I did Gucci Guilty and Prada Candy, and it's kind of giving. So I might wear that one too. I might have to mix that in next too. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.